Welcome back to the channel. Today we are mastering the past simple tense. Past simple is one of the most important tenses in English because it is used to talk about completed actions in the past. Also, we are close to 500 subscribers. Help the channel reach that milestone. Part 1. Structure, irregular verbs. Past simple of regular verbs, add, ed. Example, walk walked, play played. Negative form, did not plus base verb. Example, I did not walk to school yesterday. Question form, did plus subject plus base verb. Example, did you play football last weekend? Practice. Make 5 positive, 5 negative, and 5 question sentences using regular verbs. Part 2. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow ed pattern. Example, go went, have had, seesaw. Negative form, did not plus base verb. Example, I did not see the movie. Question form, did plus subject plus base verb. Example, did she go to the park yesterday? Mini practice. Try 10 sentences using irregular verbs in past simple. Part 3. Usage and time expressions. Time expressions, yesterday, last week, 2 days ago, in 2010. Example, I watched a movie yesterday. Example, she visited Paris last summer. Tips. Use past simple for finished actions, not ongoing or habitual present actions. Conversation simulation. What did you do yesterday? B. I visited my friend and played football. Did you watch TV? B. Yes, I watched a show after dinner. Practice. Create a mini dialogue using past simple. Recap. Regular and irregular verbs, negative and question forms, time expressions. Write 5 past simple sentences in the comments using today's lesson. Help the channel reach 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.